If you're experiencing a black screen, no audio, or constant reboots in your 2024 or 2025 Cadillac Escalade's infotainment system, you're not alone. This is a widespread issue affecting thousands of owners. The problems manifest in several ways: complete black screens where the display goes dark, total loss of audio output, unexpected system reboots, and Apple CarPlay connectivity failures. General Motors has officially acknowledged these problems through Dealer Bulletin PIT 6362. The issues affect multiple Cadillac models, including the Escalade, Escalade IQ, Escalade ESV, Lyric, and XT4. Importantly, GM advises against replacing the infotainment system immediately, as replacement units are likely to have the same problems until a software solution is available. While waiting for GM's official fix, you can try a soft reboot. Put your vehicle in park, then press and hold the End Call button on your steering wheel for about 20 seconds until the center display turns off and reboots. For a more thorough reset, try the hard reset method. Open the Q faceplate, which is the storage compartment under the screen, turn off the vehicle, open the driver's door, and leave it open for 30 to 60 seconds. Then close the door, restart the vehicle, and close the Q faceplate. Remember, this is a known widespread issue that GM is actively working to resolve. While waiting for the official software fix, these reboot methods may provide temporary relief from the infotainment problems. When basic resets fail to resolve your Cadillac Q issues, the next step is checking your battery health and voltage. A weak battery is often the root cause of electrical problems in modern vehicles. Next, inspect the fuses related to your radio, display, and HMI system. Blown fuses are a common cause of infotainment failures and are easily replaceable. Damaged wiring or loose connections can also cause Q malfunctions. Inspect all visible wiring harnesses for signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. If your radio is working but the display appears dark, the dashboard light sensor may be faulty. This sensor adjusts screen brightness based on ambient light conditions. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset through the Q settings menu. This will erase all your personal settings and preferences, so use this option carefully. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, the HMI module may need reprogramming or replacement. This requires professional diagnosis and specialized equipment. Stay informed about technical service bulletins from GM, which provide official fixes for known issues. If problems persist, be aware of your warranty coverage and state lemon laws for ongoing protection.